Hi, and welcome to your new PSI Physics or PSI Chemistry online course. I'm going to take you on a brief walk through the courses, how to log in, what it will look like once you get there, and then how to navigate through your course so that you will be successful. So the very first thing you want to do is use your username and password to log in to the NJCTL Moodle website. And once you log in, you're going to land at your dashboard. And your dashboard just shows your available courses. If you're taking physics, you're going to see Physics 2601, which is our algebra-based physics free study guide course. And if you're taking chemistry, you're going to see Chemistry 2701, which is our free study guide course for PSI Chemistry. So to get into your course, you just click on the icon, and here you are in your course. At the very top of the page, you're going to see just a background on the course and what you're going to learn. All of these study guide courses are ungraded, so it's just going to let you know that this is an ungraded study course just meant to help you as you're taking chemistry or physics. The pedagogy just gives you a brief background on how we teach our courses. And then the course materials just let you know that all of the things that you need can be found at the NJCTL website. This gives you a direct link to the chemistry. And if you're taking physics, it will give you a direct link to the physics course. Once you get to our website, you'll be able to download Smart Notebook presentations, which you can download in PDF format. The classwork and homework is also there. You'll see some labs and also multiple choice review guides. Here at the top, you're also going to find a reference sheet. For chemistry, you'll find the chemistry reference sheet, and if you're taking physics, you're going to find an equation sheet that will help you out. So that's just a quick introduction to your course that you're taking. And then each of your courses will be divided up into modules, and each module is just a unit of study, which will give you the topic at the beginning of the module, and then some information, including a topic overview, which gives you a brief description of what you're going to learn. For your success, tells you what it is that you'll be doing as you go through the module. Here you can see modules all begin with your lessons. Then you complete the practice problems, a virtual lab, and some mastery exercises. The learning outcomes break down everything that you're going to learn. And what's listed here as required readings are not required, but if you're inclined, you can go ahead and read those and get a lot more information about the topics that you're learning. So let's go ahead and talk about how you're going to navigate to these modules. So for the chemistry course, there are 13 modules, and you can either scroll down and find the module that you're working on, or once you get going, it may be easier just to come over here to the left-hand side and click directly on the module that you're working in. Once you get to your module, you're going to want to click Expand because this is the only way that you can see all of your lessons and the module review materials. So for each module, the very first thing you're going to want to do is come in and do your lessons, and each lesson is broken down into topics. Once you get into these lessons, you will see that there's a PDF as well as a video. And so you can watch the video and follow along in the PDF. And this is what you are learning. You can also read through this PDF at any point. And if you'd like, you can go back and rewatch the video. Once you've finished the video, which gives you all of the information, you'll go to check your understanding. So these are just questions based on what you learned. And if you get something wrong, you'll be prompted to watch a video that will explain how to go through the problem and find the correct solution. When you're done watching the video, you can either try it again, or you can just say, no, I'd like to go on to the next question. You'll go through each topic, watching the videos, and doing the check for understanding questions. Once you've finished, it will say, congratulations, you've finished the topics for this lesson, and you can go ahead and go on back to the module you're working with. After you've gone through the lessons, there are some things for you to do to review. Practice problems will take you to this link, and you can link out, and here you can download and work through the practice problems. After you've done the practice problems, you can come back in and go to your lab. Your lab is going to be a virtual lab. When you click on it, you'll download a file, which you can then open, and it will give you the website to go to, and then all of the lab write-up to do after you've done the lab on the website. Again, you don't upload this. This is an ungraded course. However, these labs will really help with your understanding of the topics that you're learning. Finally, you can go into the mastery exercises, which is a quiz. Once you get into the mastery exercises, you just click Attempt Quiz Now, and it will take you into the quiz. You will see how you did on this quiz. Again, you won't get a grade, but you'll know how many you got correct and how many you answered incorrectly. All right, so just to review, when you come in, you will see a brief overview, and then you can either scroll down or use this toolbar on the left to go through. Each of the modules is set up the same. You have your lessons, and then you go to module review, doing the practice problems, the lab, and then the multiple choice mastery questions, which is a quiz, and you will receive a score, although you are not technically graded. Best of luck in your class, and we hope that you really enjoy and find these resources very useful.